today's video we will see how to link your Rockstar Social Club account to your GTA 6 pre-order, a step-by-step guide. First, how to link your Rockstar Social Club account to your GTA 6 pre-order. To link your Rockstar Games account, formerly known as the Rockstar Social Club, to the Grand Theft Auto 6 pre-order, you must link your PlayStation Network or Xbox Network account to your Rockstar Game ID through the official Rockstar Game website. Because the GTA 6 pre-order are currently exclusive to the PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series XS, there is no separate pre-order link button. Instead, connecting to your platform profile automatically registered your pre-order purchase with Rockstar, ensuring you unlock the pre-order bonus like the Vintage Vice City pack and a free month of GTA Plus on day 1. The step 1, access your Rockstar account. Open your web browser and go to the official Rockstar game website. Click the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Now log in using your existing credentials. Note, if you do not have an account, click sign up and follow the prompt to create one. Now the step to navigate to a linked account. Once logged in, click your profile icon in the top right corner again. Now select the setting or manage the account. If navigating from the Rockstar game launcher, you can click on the linked account tab from the setting menu. Now the step 3, connect your console profile. Locate the console platform where you pre-ordered the GTA 6. So the PlayStation Network for PS5 or the Xbox Live for Xbox Series XS, you can click the linked account button below your chosen platform. A secure pop-up window will appear. Enter the login email and password for your PSN or Xbox account. Now authorize the connection by clicking accept or continue. Then the step 4, verify your setup. Your console game tag will now appear under your linked account list. When you pre-order GTA 6 via the PlayStation Store or Xbox Store using the exact console, the profile, the Rockstar will automatically detect the purchases. Now, how to claim your GTA 6 pre-order bonus. Once your account are synced, you can claim your pre-order perks using the following step. So the Vintage Vice City pack, you can complete your digital pre-order via the PSN or Xbox Store. The item will automatically unlock in-game. Now the free month of GTA Plus. After pre-ordering the game, navigate to the GTA Plus product listing page on your console store, like PlayStation Store or Xbox Store. Now the price will update to free, allowing you to claim it immediately. If you are planning to purchase a physical copy of GTA 6 from a retail store, you will receive a voucher code in the box on release day. You can redeem that code directly in your console store setup to link the content to the profile. Goodbye and thanks for watching.